So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the differential equation of all non-vertical lines in the plane. So what is the differential equation of all non-vertical lines in the plane? So to find the differential equation, first let us write the equation of a family of straight lines satisfying this condition. So all non-vertical lines lying on the plane can be written as y is equal to mx plus c in the form where m and c are arbitrary constants. So y is equal to mx plus c represents any line which is non-vertical and which lies on the plane xy plane. So I just want to eliminate this m and c to get the differential equation. So again, very straightforward, dy by dx is equal to m. One arbitrary constant has been eliminated by first differentiation, and d square y by dx square is equal to 0. On the second differentiation, the second arbitrary constant also got eliminated. Hence, this is the required differential equation. Option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.